So we're talking about breath tests and breathalyzers. People may be confused because when they're pulled over, there's a small roadside device that's used to test their breath. So what is that, and tell me about that. Its name.
That's commonly referred to as a PBT, a preliminary breath test. There are two devices that are commonly used here. One is called an SD2, and one is just the preliminary breath test. One gives an outcome of positive or negative to alcohol, and one actually will give a reading to the police officer. Neither one of them is accurate. Neither one of them come from machines which are calibrated or closely maintained machines. Most of us refer to these machines as pocket pieces of garbage. But the police use it as their main cause or probable cause to arrest a person who submits to this. And everybody should keep in mind that they have a right to refuse to take this preliminary breath test, as much as they do not have to take the roadside field tests that are given, and they don't have to take the breath test itself, the Intoxilyzer 5000 that's given on the Data Master. That's requested of these people as well.
The Intoxilyzer 5000, the Data Master, they'll encounter at the police station, not at the roadside, right?
That's correct. The Intoxilyzer 5000, I'm one of the few attorneys on Long Island. I actually own one here at the office. It's a machine that they will actually be submitting a breath sample into at the police station. But the one at the roadside, some are really not much bigger than this object. And it just, we'll give some police officers a number reading. There is no printout from that, so the police officer can tell us what it says, and there's absolutely no record of it, so we have no idea of what it really was or what it wasn't.
And can people refuse the roadside test without any consequence, the breath test?
They can. They can refuse the roadside field tests. The government refers to those as the standardized field sobriety tests. We refer to them as the roadside Olympics, none of which have anything to do with your ability to operate a motor vehicle. You can refuse to take the preliminary breath test and still submit, if you wish, to a chemical test of your blood, breath, and urine at the police station. And it's always our opinion that the person should speak to an attorney prior to submitting to any test by the